Jacob. Could have hands on me.
Baby, Emilia, I got
Oh, Emi.
Come on, man.
Jacob, I feel like
I thought I was make it come call you to tell me the big thing for now.
For now.
Hey, you watching that Mholaka if you didn't attack. I want you to keep this watch close to your hand.
You heard me say the same thing 5 times, and yet you still don't understand, which further lets me know that you're fucking up on purpose. When your CEO says make an offer, then that's what the fuck you do. Make it happen. Just make it happen, okay? What? Yes, we're still on for drinks later this week. Ciao, bye. Education. It must be the education system's fault. I swear no one is that dumb, surely.
Oh, Osvaldo, that looks delicious.
What is this?
No, I asked her to make it for me.
Jacob, none of this junk. You're fat enough as it is. Make him a boiled egg with Evo on a rice bread with water.
Okay, madam. When I'm going to
I'm fuzzy. And for net, I'll have coffee at the office.
Do you really have to be that harsh?
It's for your own good. You've gained 10 kilograms. It's embarrassing enough watching you trying to get off the couch.
Michelle, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about her.
What are you maid?
Her name is Osman Rado.
Always nice to everyone. Always a people's pleaser. You dance for everyone out there, but you can't even get it together in your own home. And for your information, how I speak to her, that's how things get done. You should try it.
Okay, tell me. I'll go call an event tonight.
I have a big board meeting today. I have to be there all the way.
Michelle, I spoke to you about this 6 weeks ago. How do you just double book me like that? All the partners' wives are going to be there.
Are other wives CEOs of their own publishing firms?
Okay.
As a successful businesswoman, I have to roll with the punches. I have no control over such.
Oh, find you such a control freak.
Copying?
No, I'm just saying that your brows on flick.
Chonga, if this means so much to you, I'll do my best.
Please.
Hey!
But don't worry, I put up enough. Later tonight we'll talk about it, man. Chat.
So, you ready for tonight?
Ready as ever, George.
The Guptas and the Woos. Browns and the yellows.
George, do you always have to be so racially inappropriate or you spend time practicing?
Come on, man. This is the biggest deal in our entire existence. You react as if you just got the worst blowjob in history.
Oh, well, like that. Don't worry, my friend. Do not worry. Everything is fine. I've worked on it for a long time. I promise.
And the wife?
What about her?
She better be there. Look, we need to present a united front on business and family relationships. We don't want to make a shitty impression.
George, I spoke to Michelle. She'll be there, okay?
She better be. Child support and alimony are not cheap for the 1%. Jacob!
George, I'm ready.
Hey, hey, hey. Get it, girl. Get it. Yes.
Oh, you're too late. Can you teach you how to do that?
You have a few years?
More like a few days, like before we go to Bali. When you're tired of them Barbados, man.
Bali is in Indonesia, but you'd only know that if you came to class like ever.
A bitch, please. The only class I care about is first class all the way.
Yes! So we're going, right? Like you booked everything. Well, not yet. So we're not going. Shut up, Kanye.
Yeah, just shut up. We're going, right?
Can you guys all just relax? You know, we're still sorting things out. I just have issues with confirmation and, you know, it's pretty much done. You know what? Let's take this off. Wait.
Yeah, but how many times can I express how important this is? Michelle, this is not a competition. Okay? You know how important family is to these people. And that is what will seal the deal. Come on, man, we need to take a stage together. Okay, you got past 7 right now. How long will it take you to get here? Fine. Be there and please be on time. Oh. How did you go today?
Oh, kana ke di-award. Jo, ntate o tlo wina.
I said, I'm giving a speech.
Speech, sona speech so o tlo se wina, o tlo se wina. Jo,
No, get ready now. I have to go.
ntate, ka nnete o tshwanetse o nkele le lekanyana fela o tshwarise mala.
No, I can't get right. I'm fine.
Wa ja.
What's fucking-
Ke tlo sheba masutse ke a pheileng mo le
Oh,
bona.
get fruit salad.
Fruit salad ntate ke dijo tsa bana. Tshwanetse o je mpa ena e tlale. O ntate wa motse o sebetsa ka thata.
Again,
Eh.
ka re ka jwetsa mo ntlong ena, madam wa hao.
Bathong. Dijo tse kana-kana ke tlo di etsang nna jwale. Ai ke waste kaofela ntho ena.
Ya tseba ke waste.
Ho wa bona ka bentse le mpatetse tšhelete ntse ke e kopa jane gore le tlo sena tšhelete le go reka dijo tse ngata ga kana-kana.
Bo apa ko?
O ntate ne ke re monate o mo dintlo ka botoro ka jeno ntate di a lelemela ga o tsebe monate o mona ko gore o fetiwe ntate ha o fetiwe ntate ke setse botoro ka jeno.
Phumula. Molomo. O thule malerato. O sale handle malerato.
Ha o je ka nnete
Uncle Adam. That's why the women that stay within this house, all of them, can stand. They're all right, you.
Finally, you arrive.
It's 8 o'clock, I'm on time. And George, what's happening with your forehead?
What? I'm trying to make them more comfortable. There's a tie for the woos. This is for the Guptas.
Do you even know what this means?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's like the red dot. And it's for divorce.
Yes. And the black dot? It's for young girls, virgins. Yes.
Good to know. Speaking of, tell me you haven't noticed the booty with the red number behind you there. You recognize her?
Not familiar.
Where's Michelle?
You know, she wants to make an entrance. She'll be here. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, well, she better make it soon. You know how these people are.
What do you mean, these people? Stop the language, man.
Mr. Wu, so nice to see you again. Yes, and this must be...
This is Mrs. Wu?
And you remember my business partner?
Yes, Mr. Jacob.
There's the who. Yes, ma'am. Nice meeting you. Woo-ha. Good.
Jacob, this is Mr. Gupta and his lovely wife.
It's good to meet you.
Good to meet you, sir. Good to meet you. Wonderful. Amazing. Great. George.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize this was still there. It's from Ash Wednesday. Not that I'm a Christian.
Oh, shut up, George. Let's get this over and done with. I don't really care for you or these communists you want me to be nice with. Show me the money. Yeah? Yeah?
You can't? What do you mean? What do you mean my booking has been cancelled? My dad paid for everything. He didn't? Okay, could we just go and then we'll pay later? Hello? Hello? Oh my sad, my dad can be such a douchebag. I know, right? Shut up. Karabo, come with me. I need you to drive me. Come on!
Shemsalikinga naleli ne siyalizela asikatalo singena kuni yeah territorial siphuza le sikinga yonke into yithi yonke insipho yawasha my sister yeah
sizodla
isono yo kuneno momona uloku ya momona isimunyu line drums
watsiba umumuna shwele ya Mr. Kumete
Kumete Nasika Kumete ayikulu soso
wena analimile so
Shem yena akekho bad yas uyazama ukuthi nje akafiki lapha
hayi lo Kuring peanut, he must keep it in his pants.
Usikasukela peanut uyabona inkingo yilo mfazi lo uyabona lo makangayenza into right it will stay in its pen
ufuna ukuthini ke manje wena sis
umuntu uyabalabala usimane rado I don't eat this I don't like this salad I don't eat meat with skin leso sikhathi skin sakagumede sambala emadolweni
wena get out of here
Oh, my wife. I'll be back. What else, kid? Michelle, you're on voicemail. Michelle.
Jacob, I think you'd better get up there before the Wutong clan pulls the old 1-2 on the Kolkata Express, you know what I'm saying?
I have no idea.
The money is getting restless. I think we'd better go on to the next item fast. Where's Michelle, man? Mrs. Wu has been asking about her. Look, you're the one who said she'd be here, so...
George, I have an idea. Let's get paid.
I love it when you talk money. It gets me hard, like Viagra with a face.
Keep them busy.
But what about Michelle?
Keep them busy. Hello.
Hey. Oh, hi, Mr. Zulu.
Your name?
Tessa.
Good. You work for me, right?
Yes, I do in accounting department.
Lovely. I want you to be my wife.
What?
Don't worry. Don't have to say anything. Don't do anything. Just wave and smile. Sit down.
yabona ladies mina ngizonipha ama-tip ne yabona ngofuna umlungu ne athi ukuthi umholo yena udlale naye manje hayi lento yenu yokukhuluma nje ngomlomo yabona wakho wena sesimali rato futhi uwes loyo yabonakala ukuthi udry mhlawumbe egcina nge-honeymoon yakhe
uyazi uqinisele because mina since ngifika la angaze ngizwe nje kulela kamera engathi kuphuma lama-sound nyana mnandinyana soloku nje bayathethisana otherwise I'm sure bangena nje ekamereni kube yi-idibale
Usile, mara waiting maybe wena Mr. wa hao ha khona go emisa man kuri ibe extra strong.
Yes, tsa monna o ngwa msadi o aka etsa re monna a ngale a ipone fela sa latela di gay ko the way anga khona yeah mara yazi ngwariswa yilo mntana mani yabona unathasha ngathi uyaphuma ngathi ubamba enye direction na kitse
mara why bakathi chini yethu labantu iphithini
gerara here wena man utayireka ubasi wakho for a change so phuza kini
Yeah, next time.
And now, up next, a man we all know and love, Mr. Jacob Zulu. You know, me and old Jacobus come a long way. We built this company up from the start to the empire it is today. But I'm not the face of this company, as you can tell. So I'd like to invite Jacob Zulu and Mrs. Zulu.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's George. Wonderful, George. Amazing. Thank you, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for coming. Good. Then stay back. I'm glad. It's amazing, you know, how it all started 30 years ago as a mere ambition. But look at us now, you know, with my man. I'm his chocolate. You're my vanilla. We are together, you know. We've built this from the bottom up. So,
I'm going to kill you.
I'd like you to enjoy the rest of your dinner. Enjoy with us. Thank you. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jacob Zulu, come here right now.
It's okay. Eat, drink, have fun. Everything's paid for. What the hell are you doing here?
Why haven't you been responding to my texts?
You know what? This is
I
what...
saw the blue text, Dad. Do you know what they mean? That you read my text.
Okay, we'll deal with it in home.
Why did you cancel my credit card?
You mean my credit card?
Dad, I promised my friends a trip to Bali.
Yeah, right.
Now I can't do that. I look like a fool near my friends because my own father doesn't fucking care about me.
Okay, listen to this. Tasha, I'm in the middle of business, and I really would like you to respect it. I can deal with this at home, not here, in front of everybody. Hi! Hi! Everybody's here.
Wow, so your wife is so beautiful. Jacob.
Wife?
No. It's not life. Life is beautiful. It's the accent.
Then who is this bitch, Dad?
This is Tessa, and Tessa works for me.
Is this your daughter?
Not for long.
Dad, ow! You're hurting me!
Get out! Go. Get in, boss. Get a boyfriend. You're peeps.
Tisela go ba le nthuseng o itse keng ke batla Mr. Fori gore a nchebe man a re hello nice a re come to the baby a re tlo dula mo papa
Lulu. Fori wena.
Fori umngena ngani umlungu uzofana
Land, girl.
yes
#bring back the land.
wena man
So, athi uthi ikhopho. Wena manje. Nenzeni? Oqala into zabantu
yes
Blood spoiled.
God, I'm so done. You're so lame.
Lane.
Yes, lame. All I wanted was a little money to take my friends to Bali. What do? You embarrass me. Mom, please talk to your husband because I really can't. I can't do this anymore. Mom, do something else.
Mix him na Johnny Oros.
Friends. Oh. You call those freeloaders friends. You know, they only like you because they know that your mom and dad are loaded. And that's it. Get that through thick skull. Natasha, no one likes you. No one is going to like you until you change your sticking attitude. Come on, man. Be a lady. What is fake thing that you are?
Fake? You're calling me fake? I'm not the one running around hiring prostitutes to play my wife.
She's not a prostitute. She works for me.
And that just makes it so much better, right, Dad?
You can't stop, right? You always have to say something. You always have to talk. Guess what? You have nothing to say about the money anymore. You know why? Because I'm cutting you off.
What?
Yes. Go, run. Run to your friends. Scream. Papa doesn't want to give me money. I'm tired of your nonsense.
You know what? I don't care. You can't control me.
Go to your room.
I was going there anyway.
Go.
I'm so done with you. Unbelievable, Dad.
Ntate Jacob, ne ke botsa gore mohlomong o no so.
Oh, smile rat. Not now.
I'm so done with you. I know you can hear me, Mom. The worst mom ever, the worst dad ever. Fuck both of you. I don't need you. I don't need this house. I'm leaving. Try and find me another daughter. Try. You better look hard because you can't replace me. I'm irreplaceable. You can't cut me off. Cut who off? Cut me? Can't cut me off. What is that? What do I do with that? It's not gonna work.
Hey, baby.
Chief, Hanaka, please. I'm trying to fall asleep.
Bravo, hi. How are you? Gosh, so tired. Listen, how far are you? Can you come and get me? I need a place to crash for like a week or something. Till I get my place, obviously. What? What do you mean you can't? Baby dad, you live alone. You don't have a baby dad. Don't lie to me. I'm your best friend. You can't tell me these lies. But... No, I'm not bringing any more booze. Oh!
We missed you at the event.
From what I hear, you did very well with your new wife.
Yeah, that's the truth. Michelle, you can't even pretend. Not to understand. No, like acting, not to understand.
You're the actress, Mna Jacob, please. If I give you a hand job, will you get off my back, please? Zamuglala.
You said you were coming. Why don't you rather sit in your house and go to any function that honors me?
I don't have time for play dates and dress-ups.
Kanye, hi. I'm good. What do you mean, what do you want? How? I'm always joking when I say fuck you, Kanye. It's like our thing. You know, that's how we roll. You say something and I'm like, shut up, Kanye, fuck you. Right? Kanye? Hello? My God! No wonder no one likes your pussy ass anyway.
What the fuck do you want me to do? Choose between you and Companion?
I don't know. And frankly, I don't give a shit. I don't care. Because all you had to do was to show up. Show face, at least for the company. What's it on Natasha?
I want to demand Mtana, number one. Number two, I told you, that had nothing to do with me.
It had nothing to do with you?
Yes.
Do you even have an idea what Mtana was in?
No, Jacob, I don't. And actually, I don't care. Wena, you must just learn how to discipline her.
Bunolo, hi. Yeah, long time. Listen, can I ask you for something? Can I come over for like some days? Until I get my own place and... Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
How did I end up getting married to a woman who's so vile? Well, silly! You're toxic! You treat your own time like shit, and you treat your husband like... Michelle!
What?
I'm trying to have a conversation.
Well, I'm thinking maybe this might help you shut up.
Okay. Hello, one. Take the couch. But why do I have to sit in the couch? I'll stick in the girl. Jack! That's just mom.
Ooh, girl, you are living it up. At least your folks still care about you.
My parents are dead. I work for this.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, since I was 14.
I remember that. So, you said you work? You mean you go to like a job?
Yes, Natasha, I mean a job.
Sheesh, what do you do? If you were someone else, I'd say you were sleeping with the boss. But last time I checked, you were like a virgin.
Just kept to myself, that's all.
Looks like you still do. Well, I won't, like, throw parties or do any sex stuff here, okay?
Like, I literally would not care.
And I'll contribute whatever you want me to.
I think that's standard.
I'll be in the mall first thing in the morning. It will be a miracle if I don't come back to the job. People like me.
Because that's all you need, right?
Right, at least you feel me. What?
I just didn't expect your call tonight. Like, what's the deal?
Oh, it's kind of crazy. I had a fight with my dad. And he kind of cut me off.
What an asshole.
He fucking abandoned me. Can you imagine how that should feel?
Nope, not at all. So listen, there's Apple TV. The Wi-Fi password is on the router and your room is down there. Going to bed. Good night.
Night.
Mr. Ted, operator.
Gotcha.
George. God.
What's eating you, man? Usually you've got a lot to say when I get all racist and stuff. What the fuck happened last night after you left? You kill her or anything?
Well, I killed the finances.
Nice. These slave queens only learn when the money stops.
Careful, George. That's my daughter you're talking about.
But am I wrong? Speaking of slaying queens, I slept with your wife last night.
What the fuck are you talking about?
That red number.
George, do you ever stop?
Oh, dude, man, you gotta get out. Come to my penthouse, man. Clearly, home life is weighing on you like Oprah's tits. You need to let it out. I know someone who can help.
Hey, Talent, bro. Pick up your socks, man. Can I help you?
Yeah, I want this one.
That's a really good choice. They just came in. Do you need finance?
No, my dad.
Your dad?
Jacob Zulu, yeah.
Oh, and you, Mr. Zulu's...
Daughter. So you think you can drive me out of here in 20 minutes?
And Mr. Zulu is one of our trusted clients, but I'm afraid that's not how it works. I'm gonna have to go over to with my boss.
Fine. Do that.
What's going on?
Ma'am, it's my birthday. Can I offer you some cake?
street. Huh? So this whole bridge got you fired. But right now you're busy celebrating a coochie as if it's some gold mine. Hey, whole car though. Shut up, man. No, you don't need to be sour about it. I mean, dude, you think my Big D is a Salvation Army for coochie? Nothing to my honor, boy, no matter who you are.
Bro, I don't understand why we're speaking about your love life when I've just lost my fucking job. All right, we haven't paid last month's rent or this month's rent. Mr. G can come knocking at any second, and here you are.
Kenneth! Kenneth! It's rent day, Kenneth! Rent day! I know you're both inside this. Hey! It's time to pay today! Oh, maybe they're not here. Maybe they left. I think I'll come back later.
Keys, you stupids.
Right, fellas. Why you're not paying me my rent, man?
Listen, Mr. G, I promise you it's coming.
Yeah, Christmas is coming. My granny's birthday is coming. Jesus is also coming. And you two just want to make promises. Promise this, promise that. And you all don't think I can smell that devil's spinach. In my flat!
Listen, Mr. G, if you can just give us until the end of the week, I promise you I'll have that money.
Every time I come here, you're coming with the stories. If you all don't pay my rent by tomorrow, you're out.
Tomorrow? I thought we agreed on the end of the week.
Tomorrow is the end of the week. Don't test me, Oz. Don't test me. Because if I have to come back here, I'm gonna come back with my two bras. Thunder! And lightning. Eyeballs. The stupids.
I hate this guy.
Hey, yo, what's up? Some dumb idiot just parked in my space.
Sorry, that's me.
You have a car?
Nope. I just took it from the lot when the guy wasn't looking.
You mean you stole it?
No, relax.
Rich people, even when they're broke, they can still afford. So anyway, you are still trying to find a way to contribute. I mean, you are still looking for a job, right? And hijacking cars does not count.
I literally looked all over. Nothing.
Okay, look, Natasha, just take this job thing seriously, okay?
I promise I'll have something by tomorrow.
Good. Clean after your goddamn self.
Bro, are you gonna tell me why this is all about?
Just trying to make my business partner happy. Okay.
It's the kind of a business deal that isn't told me about.
You can say that.
George. What is this? Go. Come on. Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Instead of shoot, one shoot. You love your money. You love your money. You love your money. Shoot, one shoot. You love your money.
My nigga, look at you, man. Trying to call me King Shot. I know you like it. What do you think about that music, man?
That's amazing.
Yeah. God, get out of here. I cannot believe this.
Damn,
You gonna call it amazing?
You serious,
Fuck this. I don't need this shit, to be honest.
Yeah, I'll tell you what you need. You need your day job.
Day job? I'm
That's
a real
what you
artist.
need.
I don't need that shit.
Oh, real artist. Real. And look at this. Get out of here too, Slave Queen wannabe. Gosh, trying to help these people.
Okay.
Welcome to my kingdom. That's right, man. Be comfortable. Yes, sir. I love that name. Trust me, I do. Have a drink, man. Relax. George, it's been a while. Good to see you. So, Jacob, the man sitting next to you, that's a legend. Wow. He told me everything about you. I know all your problems. Relax, calm down. Hold on. Relax. I've helped everybody. Eric Benet, Steve Hoffmeyer. The list is endless. 2 seconds. That could be one of my clients. Charlie. What? Rehab? Hold on, I have to call you back.
Prince Charles is in rehab?
Charlie Sheen. Gosh. Woohoo! Listen to me, man.
Yeah, all that.
Listen, everybody once in their lifetime have to reignite their passion.
Some more than others.
Yes. Okay. Woo! How? Thanks. This is the chapter that went missing in the Bible.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh. Ah. Ooh.
Jacob.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
Ooh.
So, I have decided Milan is my favorite place in the world. I want to go back next month. Do you want to come? Just keep them coming, huh? Mish? Hello? What's eating you? Because I know it's not Jacob. Oh, what is wrong with that man? I mean,
Just last night, okay? I tried to give him a hand job.
oh, did you do, the double clutch, like that shake weight?
It didn't even get to that.
Joke.
I swear, my friend, my cookie is dying a slow death.
A grown-ass woman from Punani dehydration in 2018, forget about it. Do you know what your problem is? You seem to think that Jacob is your only option.
I'm not having an affair.
An affair? Who said anything about having an affair? I'm talking about random nights with random young men. It's a new thing going around. Cardi C calls it, breaking the nut.
Well, fuck Cardi C. Look around you, sweetheart. This is real life.
I know this is real life. And these things are happening right under your nose.
Juliet Thomas.
I'm having the best sex of my life while having the best marriage ever. Think about it. A happy wife is a happy marriage. And then you don't have to break his heart. Mish, the cheating's not for you. It's for him. It's what every good wife would do.
So you want a small chicken salad and a Diet Coke?
Correct.
And for you, full portion of ribs and mashed potato.
Correct.
Are you sure? Like, are you sure? Because I think your friend is onto something here with a small Diet Coke.
Excuse me?
Oh, hey, ain't you that new cat?
Yes, I am.
Fine.
Yeah, listen, I really need this job right now. So whenever you can, that'd be great. Yes, please, on this number. Okay. Bye. You?
You?
You owe me.
I don't owe you shit.
You got me fired.
You got yourself fired.
How do you get yourself fired?
How do you leave keys in a 2 million rand car?
Listen, that's beside the point, all right? I've got bills to pay, all right? My fridge is empty. My landlord is on my case 5 times a week. I've got rent to pay. I've got black tax to pay. And you are really, really cute, so it's making me that much more hard to do this. Damn.
You hungry?
Remember your bottle of Ace of Spades, Rosé? Thank you. So, there you go. Enjoy your champagne.
You've got this, right?
I thought you did.
Thought you were taking me out.
Take you out. You're the guy. You're supposed to.
Oh, supposed to be. The one who suggested the lunch in the first place.
Why would I forget?
Maybe to make up that little lunch you pulled. Remember the one that got me fired?
One stupid call is a whole lot. That's really short.
What the fuck is that supposed to be? What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Take a damn good look at.
Yeah, I'm looking, and all I see is a dishwasher.
Just like you.
Oh, yeah? Maybe cooking bills is what you do.
Can you just forget about the stupid little bill?
Stupid little bill. It was a whole car. You insane.
Don't call me crazy.
Oh, you.
Shush, this is why the road hates you. Ow, ow. You see what you did?
You see. So it's not too bad. It's fine.
Hey, that's your protein.
Yeah, and that's how I got the name Talent.
What a story. You know, you Zimbabweans are just something else. I don't know what you guys are.
Sorry, what?
What?
Listen, I'm not Zimbabwean.
You're not.
No.
Sorry. It makes it so much different now.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, this. This. It's a Lucky Charm of sorts.
It's nice.
Yeah, thanks. Hasn't been working as of late.
Maybe you should give it time.
Are you serious? So, you enjoy washing dishes?
Bruh.
But they still look fine.
No.
Listen, so, am I gonna see you again?
Give me your phone.
Why?
Just give it.
Thank you. So is that a yes? I had the most amazing day today, bro. Oh my goodness. What's wrong, man?
Thank you very much.
Boy, I was just on Cougar today. Crazy one. She took me to a place, made me jump into a freezing pool. So I think I've got a flu coming, boy.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, you're still awake.
Hi.
I didn't see your car outside.
Oh yeah, those dealership guys must have taken it. So, was that your man?
Something like that.
What do you mean? You guys kissed and he gave you a whole stack of money. OMG, is that your boss?
Dude, she's absolutely amazing, man. I can't even, I can't explain it, bro.
No, that definitely was not my boss. That was my client.
Oh.
Nigga, did I hit that?
Did you hit that?
Yeah, try good. Yeah.
Did you hit that?
Whatever. Mrs. Zulu?
Faith, how many times do I have to tell you that when we're in the office, you refer to me as Miss Michelle?
Sorry, Miss Michelle. This is Daniel, our new intern.
My pleasure, Michelle. I'm such a great admirer of your work. I mean, true inspiration and a shining example for women everywhere.
Come on in, Daniel. I'll show you around. Daniel, our new intern.
Nice, Daniel, yeah?
Daniel, our new intern.
Okay, Jules.
Okay, then, George, we'll take the papers to legal, right? Cool.
Check it.
Yeah.
How was last night?
Wow, George, they made me feel really young. I mean, it was amazing.
I knew you'd love it.
You know, I'd move on with the papers, with the Woos and the Guptas, while it's still fresh in their memories. Okay? Cool.
Hey, have you dealt with Natasha yet?
She won't answer my calls.
Dude, I hope she hasn't been kidnapped or something.
She's fine. I'm tracking her phone. She still visits the same stores. Don't worry about that. We'll deal with it later. I know that eventually she'll come back and apologize and realize that I'm her father and respect me.
I love it when they call me Big Papa.
George, that's weird. Papers.
Oh, come on, P. This was your gig anyway. Like, I don't know these guys. They sit into your DMs, not mine. They could be fucking psychos, you know that, right? What about Fifi? No, I can't take Fifi because Fifi is now Fidel. Yeah, she went through with the sex change. Okay, so now, like, how the hell am I supposed to find someone on such short notice?
Through the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 thunder.
Hey, yo, send me the address, okay?
You want me to what?
Oh, girl, come on, please. Like, I swear it's gonna be so much fun. And I promise you don't have to do anything that you don't want to do.
But what if I don't want to party?
Oh, come on, Natasha. Like, I really need to get to this party. You can just hang out. And, I mean, Pri was guaranteed a couple of grand just for being there.
For real? How old are these people?
Oh, girl, just relax.
Look how they're looking at me. It's like a piece of meat.
Girl, you need to chill, okay? Just have some fun.
Wow. How in this whole world can two beautiful ladies like you be standing all alone?
Just be nice, okay? Hey, be nice. Where's she going? Just be nice. Go. No.
Bye. Now you're alone. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, tell me, what do you do?
Whatever the fuck I want.
Oh, really now?
Yes, please.
So would a lady like you do what you want to do? With me?
You. No, thank you. I already threw up on my way over here.
I'm sure you did. You are excused.
I'm also here because I like to party.
So am I, baby girl. So am I. I just want to party privately, that's all.
Okay, but no funny business.
Oh. I'll let my money do the talking. Indeed, you are wonderful. Man, hi. Oh my God.
Okay. How's that? Why don't you at least want some buffet?
Oh, play, right?
Yeah.
Like the way you think, baby. Play. I love play. Okay? Oh, play. And
Well, I've always wanted to come here. Obviously, you're like my partner and not alone.
And now that I have you, I get to take you here.
The place is really extravagant.
Mm-hmm. They've got great taste. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Can we get champagne, please?
Thanks.
So, are we washing dishes again? What's going on?
I don't know. You tell me. I'm kidding. Kidding, babe. Don't worry, I've got this.
You've got this. What's that supposed to mean?
It means I have the bill. I'll pay.
Well, you'll pay. So what, you just assume that I don't have it?
Babe, that's not what I mean. Okay, I just wanted to take you out, that's all.
According to you, the woman doesn't pay and the man does.
I know what I said, babe, but it's 2019, okay? So hush up and let me show you how much I appreciate you.
Dude, have you seen the prices on this menu? It's crazy.
Relax, talent. Look at me. I want a nice evening where I get to spoil you. Can I do that?
Okay.
Let me show this. Ah.
Wallace, second truck. Put it in the second truck. Make sure you don't damage it.
Hey, that's
I need more boxes coming up. You can't be kept one box at a time.
Mr. G.
It's Mr. Cavender.
Listen.
And I want you, Alice. I want you. You didn't want to listen. I want you.
Listen, can't we just agree on, what we had agreed on 1 week? Please.
Hey, I gave you till the end of the week. Tuesday, move. Come on. Y'all can go inside, boys. There, the boxes there I gave you. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What's today?
Listen.
Friday. It's not 12, man. Just come on. Move. Stay. Go on, man. What's going on, man? That's my couch. Whoa.
So what are you gonna do? So look, I have a client tonight, okay? Now I can't do it anymore because I'm not feeling well. They're just gonna solve all of this. It is what it is. Hey, maybe you can. Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah. Listen, T, it only makes sense. Do you want your stuff back or not? Dinner's done. Bill comes. What do you do?
I pick it up.
Oh! You don't do that shit. Ooh, baby. Come here, mama. I love those titties.
Mr. Sponge.
My girl left me. I don't know what to do. Like, I've tried everything I could to make her happy. I bought her flowers. I took her out on dates every week.
Tarot, tell me. When you need a ride, what do you do?
Call a cab.
Stop it!
The last time I got her flowers, she said she prefers white roses, and I got her red roses on the phone. Still got an hour.
Who goes in fast?
Bros before hoes.
The fast lure of a bent hand.
Never catch feelings.
That's not my boy. Cut it.
Hello?
Hello?
I see someone who started without me.
And apparently I'm very good at starting things.
It would seem so. According to your resume.
My resume.
Come on, Katleho. I hear you're a man of many talents. I'm here through a referral. It is Katleho, isn't it?
Katleho, yes. And you are?
I'm the woman you'll be satisfying tonight. What's your rate?
Oh, straight to business. Well, I was thinking 8,000.
An hour?
For the first 2 hours.
I'll tell you what. Let's make it 8,000 for the whole night.
Not ideal. But since it's your first time, then, why not?
Shall we?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Machen. Molweni Basali, Ninjani. Hey, happy birthday. And love the hair. On fleek.
Talent! Talent! It's Benny. I love what you've done with the place. Very minimalist. Right. Now I'm gonna have to charge you for extra day. Because you're staying extra day, you didn't even pay. In fact, you didn't even pay me my rent. So you're gonna need to either conquer or get kicked out. What's it gonna be?
I hate you.
Oh, what? Oh, Talent. And it's all here. Very impressed, boys. Lovely doing business with you.
Hey, what about our furniture?
All right, your furniture is in storage. Al, I didn't bring the keys for your storage locker. Why y'all don't come see me next week, Tuesday? Huh? Come see me. I'll have it for you next week, Tuesday. Like smoking drugs, you can't even pay your bloody rent. Shepherds.
How did it go? How do you feel?
Strange, man. Strange? What do you mean strange? It's like, it felt like it was me, but it wasn't, Huh? And the fact that she was calling me Katleho didn't make it any better. Made it worse. You need to relax.
Now you know how the game, you know how it goes. You got the money. Now you can take one how relax. Okay?
Yeah. That's not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, big girl.
Hey, what you doing tonight?
My friend has like a thing that I have to go to. So they...
Right, so maybe later?
Yeah, I'd like to see you later.
Right.
Well.
Hey, you're so whipped.
Take it. Oh, welcome. Where's George? No, George is in Dubai. Dubai, boy. Who's this? Dubai? Yeah. Well,
So another great partnership.
oh, thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. I have something special for you.
Me?
Yes.
Yes, have a look. Mr. Woo! Woo! Oh. Oh. Hello, Nana. Is it?
Come on. Yeah. Okay.
I hate lying to my boyfriend. Oh, he love guys all the time.
I'm not telling. He's not like the others. Also, what is this? I thought we were going to a party, not a damn Comic-Con.
Oh, look who's picky now. I think she's starting to like this life.
So we just guess who's who? How will they pick you? Look who just got lucky.
While it's a chance.
I don't know, Dad.
You know, cutting you off doesn't mean that, I don't care about you. You know, and it also doesn't mean that you have to go out.
But you aren't there. Not really, anyway. I feel it. Mom feels it. God, just now we know why.
Why do you do this, Dad? Is it for fun? Because Mom's not fun?
See, I'll be lying if I said yes. It would be very easy for me to do that. It's not your mom, and it's definitely not you. Like, home is not fun anymore, you know? And I did what every coward would do and went out there looking for something.
We almost saw each other naked.
I know.
That's fucked up.
Natasha, may I please be the one that tells your mother about this when I'm ready?
Your funeral. My boyfriend's gonna kill me.
You have a boyfriend? I'd like to meet him. Maybe invite him over for dinner.
Hey, Osman Rad. Ke ka mona ntate wa ka hle. Ka mona papa. Okay. Le kae? Ntate ka nnete ka ba ga motla mahle. Masedi yena.
Mama, tonight, I want you to cook up a storm. Oh, good. Because I'm going to be with my family. But I want one extra plate.
Oh, ntate lo re mohlomong ho na le baetsi na.
No, that's it. One. Ne?
Re ke tang ntate.
No. I see the whole man. It's just family, family together, eating together. Very nice affair.
Okay. Ntate. Ne ke re ke botse gona ntate tse khane ke kopile mogolo gore a nyolle na gona ona ke la fumana na ka ona.
O se malerato. Go and swear. I'm not going to serious right now. Mara, go, peace. I promise you. After dinner tonight, everything is going to be different. Everything is going to be nice.
Tate, tate man. Ay, ntona na yang hlola wa tseba. Sho. Wa tseba, nna ke tsebo rona batho bana ba ke eng wa tseba mara ntho e wane ke tsebang gore le tswalo lona ha ila ntamole se.
Yazi uSmell Rad. Kubo bonke abobhasi bethu. Angazi nje ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Jacob angalahlekelwa ingqondo.
Yabona ukukhuluma ngengqondo uqedile sisi ingqondo lapha ibalekile. Lo muntu lo uzibona ngathi happy yazi. Ukhuluma ngabo happy family.
Happy ubani?
Exactly. Khona manje ukhohlwe ukuthi uxoshe uNatasha. Uyambala kule dinner yakhona le.
What's like uSmell Rad? Nna ke nahana go batla go poison dijo. O skebe wa taste le highly. O skebe mix.
Lo. Ke nna ke phela dijo sena ka matswana kana. E le go poison jwa nka be ke tsela mo dijo.
Listen, why don't you just bring them all together and get them to talk?
Ayiniyambona umuntu wena. Yes, Wena, this is the reason why we don't call you to our gossip sessions. Why do you always have to act like a white girl?
Listen, I'm a maid just like you, and just like you. Okay?
Lindsay, this is not about you.
How? Yabona sesimele Rad. Wena thola umfazi walo muntu umbuze madala side ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani.
Felicia yamazi lo mfazi ngendlela angizonda naye.
Okay, maybe it's like a cup plan or something. What is it like? This is something.
Yeah.
Don't worry. It won't be that bad.
Listen, it's just that you've told me that your dad's this monster, and I just.
Babe, you need to relax.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Don't worry. Come here. Forget everything I told you. Just enjoy.
Yeah, it's been very beautiful.
Hey, Titika.
What's my laptop?
Hello, Nana.
How are you doing?
Very well, how are you?
Thank you.
Good.
Dad?
Yes?
Is this Talent? This is my dad?
Very nice to meet you, Mr. Zulu. I've heard so much about you.
Only good things? No?
Only good things.
Only good things. Keep on the chair.
All right, thank
you. No, please, man. This is cocktails, eh? Oh, careful. Let's go this way. Oh. Yeah. Very beautiful. Thank you very much. You say your name is Talent?
Yes.
Are you from Bob?
No, in actual fact, the name Exceptional was already taken.
Oh, it's the queen.
Hi,
My queen.
everyone. I didn't realize we had a visitor.
Yes, Mom. This is Talent. This is my mom, Michelle.
Nice to meet you, young man. Are you from around here?
Oh, cocktails. Brilliant. Wonderful. There we go.
Talent, has my daughter shown you around? How rude of you, Natasha.
How rude.
Come with me. Come sit down. So, yes.
She won't bite. Show him around. Brilliant.
So the statue that you see here was shipped from Milan. But that's not the point. You're gonna tell me what the hell is going on?
So now I wasn't supposed to know that Natasha's your daughter.
Does my daughter know what you do?
What I do? Listen, what I did is not what I do. All right, it was a one-time thing and clearly never again.
So you're trying to tell me that she knows how good you are with your hands?
Please, okay? Natasha can't find out about this.
What makes you think I won't tell her?
Please.
What are you going to do to keep my mouth shut?
Listen, I'm hoping you can do that all by yourself.
Oh, it's very unfortunate. Because keeping my mouth shut isn't my favorite pastime.
Listen, I can't do that. Okay, I can't do that. What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? You fucked me in a hotel room, remember? Your girlfriend's mother. And you're asking me, what is wrong with me? Well, I'll show you what's wrong with me. So, what do you do for fun? Talent?
For fun? Nothing in specific. I'm still looking for another job since my last one.
I'll be over soon. I'll get you soon.
Yeah. Soon enough, you'll be back into the swing of things.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad to have you all here. I'm glad you could make it. Now, let me put this dinner into context. Now, it is a symbol of willingness for us to work things out and make this family great again. And that makes me very happy. You know what? I want to promise to treat you better. I want to promise you that I'm going to be a better husband. The husband you've always wanted. And to my pride and joy, I wanted a child that I'll be proud of and everybody else will be proud of. And, yeah. Hey, my brother. What's my brother? What's my brother? What's on this table, man? Please. Yeah, please.
Hambu, you're
You're joking, fun. Go vomit it or something, but please.
Please, and thank you. Yes. Once upon a time, okay. I said to Kupa,
Oh, she's
and a barra I said team. Jacob.
Get rid of her. We're trying to have
Jacob, why is I kitchen?
Hey, wait, we're trying to have a decent dinner.
Tola way, Nasa Javana.
Hey.
Hey, you do not talk to my wife like that.
You do not talk to me like that.
Who is who?
Hey.
Who is who?
Hey.
Who is who?
Listen here.
Okay, what are you talking about?
I'm saying keep quiet. You don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up. What's going on?
It happened once.
What happened?
One time. It meant nothing. It just.
I welcome you to my
I'm
house.
trying to explain to you what happened.
You come to my house. I give you respect. You come to my house.
Listen.
And you come and disrespect me. You come to my house. Who the fuck do you think you are? Get up. Sit down. Come to my house. Come to my house. I'm telling you right now. You come to my house. I'll throw you off the floor. What is this? What is it? No, what is that?
Mom!
Today, you watch the Mholaka feeding that dog. I want you to have it.
Ngay usebedise man.
Nzambi.
Ai no shame. Rala a contretse mona na Jacob. Ka mora dilemo tse ngata ha kana ka o mpatlang.
Amanda but re bua ka ngwana rona.
Ngwana rona. Ngwana ofe?
Talent.
Jacob ke kopa o konthuso o mbalance mona. O bua kae?
What happened to that watch that I gave you all those years ago?
Oh wow. Azubaki, how on ntwe e makatsang jwa ka bophelo ko jwetse. Are you talking about the watch that was supposed to bring us back together?
I understand. I can't understand that. And how when I tlhaloganyang and then you ana bana.
Because Jacob ke lesbian. I'm a carpet muncher.
Wow. How?
The scientific ka dintse di le ka ho fumana karabo ya ntho but ho latela ka mogho nna ke leng ka teng ho sontso bona la gore ke ntse tumellano le Satan ke ka ho ke ratang basadi ba bana.
And it was not because of me, right?
Jacob.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. But that was 30 years ago.
Tell me about the watch.
Watch how you feel my nephew, okay? 1 hour auswag. Talent.
Wow.
Yeah. That's like the closest I'll ever get to having a child.
Wow.